Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do some 5 off of 25 breakdowns for Saturday, June 29th at Dollar General. So all these deals, you will have to use that 5 off of 25 coupon. We do have some instant savings going on, so I did incorporate them with some of the deals I'm going to show you. If you're new to couponing at Dollar General, this is what your digital 5 off of 25 coupon will look like. For this first deal, we're going to take advantage of the instant savings of save $3 when you spend $10 on certain products. Now, it's very important that you spend enough money to be able to use that 5 off of 25. So if you have a $3 instant savings, you want to spend at least $28 to make sure that your 5 off of 25 is going to come off, because the instant savings will come off first. Another thing to remember is that, say it's a 3 on 10, say you spend $20, you will get $6 in instant savings, not just 3. So make sure you're keeping track of how much you're spending towards that instant savings. So you want to pick up 2 of the soft soap hand soap, and it has to be 11.25 ounces for $2 a piece. You also want 2 of the soft soap body wash, and they have to be 15 ounce. For $3 a piece. And you want to pick up 3 of the Colgate Total Advanced Fresh and Whitening Gel, 5.1 ounce. Now, if you saw my video that I posted the other day, the coupon that goes with the Colgate, it's only taking certain toothpaste. It's not doing all the ones it's supposed to do. So make sure you scan your toothpaste in store on your app to make sure the coupon is going to work. Also, if you have that $1 digital Colgate coupon clipped, that is going to come off and not your $5 one. So make sure you only have that $5 one clipped. Online, it's showing this toothpaste is $4 each, and in my store, it is $4.25. You want to pick up 1 of the Renews It Snuggle Scented Oil Refill, 3 count, for $6.50. And 1 of the Bic Sensitive Single Blade 10 count for $2.85. All right, let's go over the coupons you will need, and they will all be digital. You, of course, want the 5 off of 25 for Saturday, June 29th. You want the save $2 on any 2 soft soap brand body washes, 15 ounce only. The save $1 on any 2 soft soap brand liquid hand soaps, 11.25 ounce only. And the save $5 on the 3 Colgate products. The save $4 on the Renews It Snuggle, and that's good on the 3 or 5 count only. And the save $2 on the Bic disposable razors. So your total is going to be $31.35. You have $6 in instant savings and $19 in coupons, leaving your total just $6.35 before tax. And here's a list of the stuff you want to buy and what you need for coupons if you want to do a screenshot. All right, moving on to deal number 2. You want 1 pack of the U by Kotex Security Tampons, 18 count, for $3.25. 1 pack of the U by Kotex Security Ultra Thin 22 count pads. A package of the Energizer Max AAA Alkaline Batteries 2-pack for $2.50. 1 of the Tide Simply, you can either get the Tide Simply Liquid 22 load for $2.95 or the Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95. 1 of the Renews It Snuggle Scented Oil Refills 3 count for $6.50. 1 of the Bengay Pain Relieving Cream 2 ounce for $4.85. And 1 of the Pampers Sensitive Baby Wipes 56 count for $2. Okay, let's go over the coupons you will need, and some of them are paper and some are digital. Make sure you clip that 5 off of 25 for Saturday. And in the 623 Smart Source, we have a save $2 on any 1 package of U by Kotex tampons. Also in the 623 Smart Source, we have a save $2 on any one package of U by Kotex pads. In that same insert, we have save $125 off any one pack of Energizer batteries. You want the digital, save $1 on the Tide Simply. The digital for save $4 on one Snuggle Renews It Scented Oil Refill. The digital for save $3 on any one Bengay product. The digital coupon for save $1 on one Pampers wipes. And also right now on Ibotta, they are giving a rebate for $1 back on Energizer batteries, any Max variety, any size. Now, if you don't have Ibotta, I will link my referral code in the description box below the video. So your total is going to be $25.30. You have $19.25 in coupons, leaving your total just $6.05 before tax and just $5.05 after your Ibotta rebate. Now here's a list of the stuff that you want to buy if you're going to do this deal. I couldn't put what you want to buy and the coupons on the same screen because there was too much. And here are all the coupons and a reminder about the Ibotta rebate on this shot. Okay, deal number 3 is going to be all digital coupons. You want to pick up a bag of the Purina Beneful grain-free 3-pound for $5.50. One of the Pampers Sensitive Baby Wipes 56 count for $2. One of the Tide Simply 34 ounce for $2.95 or the Tide Pods 13 count for $2.95. Now you want to pick up one of these products, just choose whichever one you want. You can get either the Downy Infusions or Liquid Fabric Softener 48 to 60 load, the Assorted Scents or Beads 5.7 to 6.5 ounce, or the Downy or Bounce Fabric Softener Sheets 90 to 105 count. One of the Aleve Back and Muscle 24 count for $4.25. And one of the Snuggle Renews It Scented Oil Refills 3 count for $6.50. So let's go over the digital coupons that you will need for this deal. You want the 5 off of 25 for Saturday, and I know I put this in every one of the deals, but sometimes people forget to clip them, so it's a good reminder. You want the coupon for save $3 on Purina Benefil, and it includes one 2-pound or larger bag or carton of Purina, and it includes the grain-free. Now, there are some coupons for the same thing with a lesser value. Make sure you have only the $3 one clip because the lesser value ones will come off first. You want the save $1 on the one Pampers wipes. The save $1 on the Tide Simply. And the save $1 on the Downy or Bounce. Save $3 on anyone Aleve Back and Muscle 24 count or larger. And the save $4 on the Renews It Snuggle. So your total is going to be $25.70. You have $18 in coupons, leaving your total $7.70 before tax. And here is a list of the stuff you want to buy if you're doing this deal and you want to screenshot it. And here is a list of all the coupons you will also need. Okay, for deal number 4, we're going to take advantage of the save $3 when you spend $15, and that includes the Cottonelle. You want to pick up 3 of the Cottonelle Ultra Gentle Care toilet paper, 6 double rolls, and they are $5 a piece. 2 of the soft soap body washes, 15 ounce for $3 a piece. 2 of the soft soap hand soaps, 11.25 ounces for $2 a piece. 1 of the Bic Soleil 3-count razors for $6, and I'm going with this blue one because the pink ones are on sale this week, I think for $5.50, so just make sure your total hits the right amount. All right, let's go over those coupons. From the 6-9 Smart Source, you're going to want 3 of the Save 75 cents on any 6 or more rolls of the Cottonelle Gentle Care. You want the digital Save $2 on any 2 soft soap body washes. The digital Save $1 on any 2 soft soap hand soaps. And the Save $4 on the Bic Soleil disposable razors. Your total is going to be $31. You have 6 in instant savings and $14.25 in coupons, leaving your total at $10.75 before tax. And here's a screenshot of what to buy and the coupons if you want to do this deal. I'd like to thank you for watching, and please, if you would, hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to be scanning those receipts on the Fetch app. It's like free money, so you might as well scan your receipts. If you don't have the Fetch app yet, I will also put my referral link for that in the description box. And I hope everyone has a great rest of your week.